Hi, I'm Will Francis, and I've worked on content marketing for some of the world's most loved brands. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know about content marketing. Content marketing is the creation and sharing of content in different formats such as videos, blogs and social media posts to build interest in a product or service. It's becoming increasingly important for marketers to understand content marketing and to know how to use it effectively. The rise of ad blockers, algorithms, private social, and many other factors will increasingly limit our ability to reach consumers. However, the inbound nature of content marketing cuts through these barriers. This is because it's centered around creating written and visual assets that have a genuine and intrinsic value to people. This requires a change of thinking for many marketers because it doesn't feel like marketing, and this is precisely why it works. The purpose of content marketing is to drive both inbound customer engagement and organic searches using search engine optimization or SEO from a defined audience, which can then be nurtured to convert into valuable customers. Content is strategically created or curated and distributed in key locations across the internet to attract customers to your website. But what exactly is inbound marketing? It's a strategy where brands use content marketing to attract customers. The key driver of inbound marketing is consumer intent, as potential customers actively seek out the brand's content. As a result, the consumers are more engaged and open to taking action than if the brand were to communicate with them when they're not actively interested. Outbound marketing, on the other hand, is when the brand pushes its message out to as many people as it can within a target audience. The brand believes that this audience is a good match for the product or service being advertised. But of course, the consumers might not be interested in the product at that particular time. So outbound advertising is generally less effective than inbound marketing at driving action.